My name is Sarah Seaman, and I'm better known in the world of education as the Muddy Puddle Teacher. I was a forest schools leader, and then I really got into outdoor learning and how I could link outdoor learning to my curriculum. And I developed this approach, basically, the Muddy Puddle Teacher Approach, that helps you take outdoor learning outside in easy ways. I'm a teacher too, I totally get it. It's pretty stressful when somebody asks you to go out of your classroom. You know, when we're inside, we've got our board, we've got all of our normal apparatus. Go outside, you don't know what the weather's going to be like. It could be anything. So I've created an approach that will work in all seasons, that will work in all weathers, that's going to be sustainable, that's going to be easy for you to do. You're going to want to race outside because this approach is just a lovely way of nurturing your curriculum. I'm the ideas person. I show, I don't tell. You know how to do your job, guys. I'm just here to help you get ideas and inspiration and freshen up everything that you've probably already been doing fabulous at. We've got some super ways how you can take maths outside, take focus sessions outside. The more that you teach your focus sessions outside, the more you're going to be embracing your continuous provision, speaking and listening. There's so much in there about fine and gross motor skills. Something that we're really passionate about as well is that we're not going outside to tick boxes. We're going outside because there's a real benefit to the things that are out there. This book is really going to help you, inspire you, and most important, give you the ideas that you need because you're such busy people to get yourselves outside with the mud, exploring, having adventures, connecting with the children and bringing them the best curriculum that you can. Well, is at the door, time to explore.